It's dark now. I wish I would have done this earlier, but I'm a night owl, so obviously I wait till it's dark. But wow, I cannot believe what's behind me. I cannot believe what I'm experiencing. I never, never in my life would I've ever thought I'd see almost a foot of snow in my backyard. This is absolutely incredible. Absolutely 100% historical. This is once in a lifetime. I'll never see this again. Wow. Just holding this in my hand, and I know it's dark and you can't see, but man, this is crazy. This is one for the record books, baby. Gotta love it. Breathtaking. Beautiful. And I may be an old gray man now, but hell, this is absolutely magic.